Welcome back, fans and friends, for the final in our series of modern classics from Mattel. This will be the Volkswagen Corrado VR6. I might be pronouncing that wrong. It's just based on a Spanish word, Corrado. And so this vehicle is I want to say, variation of the hatchback. They call it the liftback. It's slightly sloped. Descended from the first Celica, although it does look a lot like the earlier Mustangs with that gently sloping rear pack. So, or other things to note, pearlescent paint, obviously the wheels, similar to the, I don't know, they're not, I was going to say. Anyway, we get rear mirrors, we do get a lot of detail with the lights, and Corrado is on the license plates. This is the VR6 model, as it is there. So this will have the 6-cylinder, unfortunately won't be seeing it here because the reduced engine is hidden under a hood that will not open. And since it's a toy, it's probably not there anyway. Door handle painted on. How new is this casting? 2023. So despite what the package would tell us and the S33 release on the bottom there, it is a relatively new one, S36A. And so there we have everything I already know. Mazda's hidden approval, and Volkswagen, Toyota, Honda, and Fiat. Barth was the last one. I did like that one. That one was okay, and then here we'll be covering this one. And then they have this year, but then again, you've seen that it's 2023, and not for use with the sets because it is a little bit heavier, and the wheels are not designed for the abuse that those sets put out. And so, here we go. I did notice one thing too, very hard to see, is the sunroof is in fact open. Unlike the last two vehicles that we did, there is no plastic for the passenger and driver. This is a 3-door vehicle, so you have one door there, and the rear, the cargo door is considered a door. Left-hand drive, and we can actually see very well into the cabin, minus the sunroof. They've actually done a really good job with the plastic. Remember how bad the Fiat was? Pearlescent, I want to say purple, but it could also be blue. I think it's purple. The car actually looks very nice. It does have that racing vibe to it. However, once again, Mattel has continued to let us down with the lights. You can just see how poorly those are done. I don't know what to say. You compare it to the Volkswagen right beside it. I cannot read what the red letters say. And the Volkswagen symbol is barely the Volkswagen symbol. Everything else is etched nicely, like the wheel wells again. Done very nicely. Onto the right side, we have door handles, obviously the rear view mirrors, very nice. Turn signal, everything there. There's the gas cap, just behind the rear wheel. Onto the back, we have Corrado, and I cannot read the number there. I think it says 27993 and then N. I don't know what to tell you, but it does say Corrado above there, Corrado on the license plate. The Volkswagen here is nice and easy to see. Dual exhaust only on the left side. All the lights painted properly and evenly. There's the spoiler, molded into the rear door. Onto the left side, exactly the same, except no gas cap. Rear mirror, door handle etched in. And just the keyhole looks like it's painted. It's actually not. Black rim for the windows. And you can just see what they say when they say the gently sloping rear of the hatch. So they call it a lift back because it's kind of slanted downwards. It does look actually very nice. I think I did, like I was saying, I did see one on the highway the other day. Did not have the spoiler though. And so there we have it, 2023 Mattel Volkswagen Corrado VR6. So this is the 6-cylinder version of it. I believe the 2.4, 2.8 engine that we will never see because this hood does not open. So other than that, it does look very nice. Just to compare it with the Fiat and the Toyota, it's a very unique set of 6, to say the least. Once again, rolls very well, as the Mattel should. So if you're into that odd sort of, I want to say niche car market collecting, this set indeed has some eclectic choices, these 3, for sure. This, for example, around the world is probably more well known as the IS, but it will also be, I believe, in left-hand drive Toyota IS 200 and the 300. Sorry, Lexus, not Toyota. Lexus, which is a Toyota, but and then the Honda Civic EG. I do believe I've covered a version of that from Matchbox, but not from Hot Wheels. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. It's good to be back, and till the next one.